I'm here inside the sample course here, and you know how to add videos and PDFs and everything in the outline area, but when you go to preview it, you may have noticed that it's not branded. Your logo is not here. Down here in the footer is Kajabi's information, so we're going to change that. You're going to click on Customize, and Customize again. And then here we are. This is the area you can edit this header area, in this little picture area, anything in the sidebar, and everything below. Now you're not able to edit anything as part of the course. That's back where we were in the outline area. This is just the student interface. So you suddenly decide, oh, I see I'm missing a picture here, and you want to upload one, you're going to have to go back to the outline area. But here I am in the student interface area, and if you want to change, you just click on logo, you upload it here. Over here, you want to change the menu. Especially this header is over here on the side. Different for every theme that you're using. So default's using the Premier theme. So that's what we're going to be seeing over here because I'm using the Premier theme. I'd upload the logo, I change the menu to whatever I want it to be. And then this picture back here, I actually can remove that all together by clicking on unclicking Show Hero. It could be just as plain as this, or I can have it back. I can change the overlay color to be just a solid background like this, or I can upload a different picture. Let me undo that. I can upload a different picture and have that in the background instead. So it's up to you. And you can also make this, see how it's pretty big right here? You can make this extra small. You can make it really big. Customize it how you want, and say it's not a course and you don't really want that button there, you'll just go to that button and delete this block and see how it goes away. And if you don't want to have description here, you can click there, don't show the description. So whatever you want to change, just click on it and change it. And as far as this area on the side, this is known as the sidebar, and this is where you can add and you can place an ad such as join one-on-one coaching here, click here to join. And I go back, and you see product sidebar. This is where course progress is the default. We can always delete that if we don't want it, or we can add content and just use custom block. I see custom block, I can add an image or I can not have an image, and text and a call to action. If you wanted to just insert an offer, cross-sell, choose the offer. See, it shows up here. You can also remove the picture again, just like that. So it's up to you how you want to display it. And then down here in the footer, click here, and we're going to change the name to your company name. If you have a social, you can add that here. You want to be sure and click Open Links a New Window, so they don't leave the course whenever they click on it, that it'll just open up in a new window and they'll still have the course available to them. And you'll just paste your link here, and just say you don't have a Facebook, just delete it, and you see how that just goes away. So there's a whole list of options for social media there. And over here you have your footer. So choose the menu footer and put your company name in there. You can change this background color to be whatever color you want. That color, save that. And from here, there's another view. So it's like the product overall. There's also the individual lesson view. So there's a menu up here. So we're gonna go to post. And video defaults is kind of small. So what you can do is click on the video, pops up on the left, and change it to simple. It makes the video a lot bigger. Now let's say you have a lesson with just PDFs and no video. You can just choose none. That goes away, and there we go. Or you can just upload a picture here instead of a video. It doesn't have to be a video. It's back in the outline area. So your thumbnail would just default here if you did not have a video upload. And then you can make these colors here your brand colors by going back and choosing settings. Color scheme. This is where you choose the color that fits your brand. Save. See, it changes everything. And over here is where your PDFs and whatnot will show up. Say you don't want to have this mark as complete button, just click on it and choose hide mark as complete. Simple as that. And that should pretty much make your course branded.